In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're sharing handouts for a meeting or keeping notes for yourself, printing from PowerPoint is straightforward once you know where to look. Start by opening your file in Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure the slides look the way you expect on screen because what you see here is what will appear in the print preview. When you're ready, go to the top left corner and click File. This opens the Backstage view where all your export and print tools live. From here, select Print to open the printing window. First, choose your printer. You'll see the default printer at the top, but you can use the drop-down to select another one if you're connected to multiple devices. Next, look at the Settings section. This is where you decide exactly what gets printed. If you want one slide per sheet, choose full page slides for a clean, large version of each slide. If you need to conserve paper or create audience handouts, pick handouts and choose how many slides appear on each page. This is great for quick reference. If you want to include your speaker notes beneath each slide, select Notes pages so you have the visual plus your talking points. And if you only need the text content, choose Outline to print the text-only structure of your presentation. Below that, adjust a few key options to match your needs. Use color if you want accurate hues, or grayscale to save ink while keeping images readable. This is helpful for draft prints. Choose portrait or landscape orientation depending on your slide layout and how you want the page to turn in a binder. Set the number of copies so you print exactly what you need, whether it's a single reference copy or a full set for your audience. Take a quick look at the preview on the right to confirm the layout, margins, and page count. If anything doesn't look right, you can return to your slides to make quick tweaks before printing. When everything looks good, click Print. Your presentation will be sent to the printer and you can pick it up as soon as it finishes. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.